This tiny cowboy hat is easier than it looks, and I'll show you how to crochet it step by step. Turn it into a keychain or a cute amigurumi accessory. And at the end, I'll show you how to add a tiny headband. Let's start with the magic ring and work 6 single crochets inside. Pull the ring closed nice and tight. I like to place a stitch marker in the last stitch, so you don't lose the start of the round. Now we'll increase in every stitch around. Make 2 single crochets in each stitch. You'll have 12 stitches at the end of the round. Round 3. In the first stitch, make an increase. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. Let me show that again. Increase and 1 single crochet. Repeat this sequence all the way around, 6 times total. You should end with 18 stitches. Round 4. For this round, we'll work in the back loops only. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. You should still have 18 stitches. This round forms the top of the hat. Round 5. Now increase in the first stitch. Then work 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Repeat that 3 times total. You will have 21 stitches at the end of the round. Round 6. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. You should still have 21 stitches. Round 7. Make an increase, then 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Repeat 3 times. That gives us 24 stitches. Round 8. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch around, nice and even. Round 9. This round is worked in the front loops only. Make an increase, then 1 single crochet. Repeat that 12 times. This is what starts forming the brim. You will end with 36 stitches. Round 10. Make a single crochet in each stitch around. Round 11. Start with 3 slip stitches. Then repeat. Increase and 1 single crochet. Repeat that 6 times. Next, make 6 slip stitches. Then repeat 1 single crochet, and in the next increase. Again 1 single crochet and increase. We repeat that 6 times. Finish the round with 3 slip stitches. This shaping gives the brim that slight western curve. Fasten off and weave in the yarn tail neatly. To shape the head, gently pinch the top crease with your finger. Then slightly bend the brim upward on the sides, like this. You can leave it like this or add a small headband for extra detail. Using a yarn needle and a contrast color, embroider simple stitches around the base of the crown. that's it. Your mini cowboy hat is ready. If you enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more amigurumi projects. And let me know in the comments how you're going to use yours, keychain or toy accessory. In the next video, I'll show you how I used my cowboy hat.